just wanted to show you guys how to do the colors that we've been talking about in These Are My Stamps. So I've logged into These Are My Stamps already. And then all I'm going to do is go to Tools, Colors, and go to Color Builder first. So this is where you can just add different color combinations together. So for example, if I start typing and this works the same as the products, I can add Pretty Peacock. I have my paper pumpkin in front of me, so these are the colors that I'm thinking about right now. Oops. And then same as when you generate the code for your products, you can generate a code for your pictures. So that's what it looks like. You can change the pictures to be different sizes. You can do different shapes. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And then, so what I do, oh, that's funny, the Colors didn't have the pictures available for that one. We'll do a different one. There we go. So you can either copy this and it will, I think it takes you to like that colors page. Yeah, so it takes you to a search with that colors page if you click on it. What I usually do is I download the picture. Right now you do have to switch over to These Are My Stamps beta, which it just kind of automatically directs you when you click on that to download the picture, and then I add my watermark. Sometimes you get this error. If you just refresh it, it usually comes up. You can also do a screen capture if you're having trouble with it, anything like that. The other thing that's really cool that I wanted to show you is this color generator. So this is where you can load a picture in, and I'm just going to paste, this is a picture that I found online that I'm just going to paste in here. You can see these are my colors from before, and this is a picture I did before. But I'm just going to go find colors with this picture, and you'll see how it looks at that picture and finds current colors. You can do retired colors as well. So there's the picture I chose. There's the colors that it's pulled out of this picture, which are actually pretty accurate. I'm pretty happy with that. You can change things if you wanted to. So like if you wanted to take out a color, or like I wanted to do a different color, you can do that. And you can kind of mess with it the same way as you would with your product. And then the same thing. Say you wanted to do like the little paint splat, and then it will generate with that picture and your colors underneath. Again, save this. You can put it directly onto your website, but like I said, it's really good to put in a watermark. So I would personally, I save these, I throw my watermark on there, and then I use them like that. So hope this helps. Hope this is a useful feature for some of you guys. Have a great night and happy stamping. Bye.